Hello, for part 26, we will review what we have done so far and then look at the use of reusable layouts to create the rest of the controls added here. The work has been quite impressive. We will go through our drawer and see each page. Here we go. From radio groups and onwards, we have used reusable layouts. You can explore the source code on how we have done this again. We have been following the same methodology, so nothing is really new here. As most of these components will use directives, it's important that you also get yourself familiar with how Vue.js directives work. This is vfor, vif, velse, velsif, etc. One of the most complicated reusable layout is the list. This has a lot of components. We have used a lot of vifs to make it work as is. Let's open the list reusable layout just to demonstrate this complexity. This is the template for one list item element. This is used to show the avatar, the icons, the actions, the subtitles, etc. We first create a reusable list, then create the reusable list item children. We use vfor to loop through each item for the list and then create the element using what has been defined. We use vif to hide what is not specified by the user from a map. One can then appreciate the complexity of some of the Vuetify components, but as long as one can understand what they do and what you need to do as a developer, nothing is a limit. You are welcome to explore the code base and experiment, as that will help you to learn the framework. It's a beautiful framework, and we are trying to make it easy to use as possible. It would be nice to subscribe to my channel, so that you can get real-time notifications of new things here. Thank you and enjoy. We close part 26.